For the following counties, in New York, Broome and Tioga, and the following counties, in Pennsylvania, Bradford and Susquehanna. The National Weather Service in Binghamton has issued a snow squall warning for southwestern Broome County, southern Tioga County, Susquehanna County in northeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Bradford County in northeastern Pennsylvania, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:27 p.m., a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from near Van Etten to Great Bend, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, very poor visibility in heavy snow. Source, radar indicated. Impact, dangerous life-threatening travel. Locations impacted include Binghamton, Vestal, Endicott, Barton, Kirkwood, Sayre, Conklin, Waverly, Oswego, and Jackson. This includes the following highway exits: New York Interstate 81 near 1. Interstate 86/17 between 60 and 68. Pennsylvania Interstate 81 between 217 and 230. Reduce your speed and turn on headlights. During snow squalls, the visibility may suddenly drop to near zero in whiteout conditions. The following is an urgent winter weather message. The following is an urgent winter weather message. For the following counties, in New York, Chemung, Schuyler, Tioga, and Tompkins. The National Weather Service in Binghamton has issued a snow squall warning for eastern Schuyler County, northeastern Chemung County, west central Tioga County, southwestern Tompkins County, until 6:45 p.m. At 5:56 p.m., a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from Reynoldsville to 6 miles northwest of Tioga Center, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, heavy snow. Source, radar indicated. Impact, dangerous life-threatening travel. Locations impacted include Newfield, Hector, Enfield, Spencer, Odessa, Coda, Van Etten, Burdett, Reynoldsville, and Alpine. Reduce your speed and turn on headlights. During snow squalls, the visibility may suddenly drop to near zero in whiteout conditions.